Bug bounty hunting looks glamorous. Hackers finding critical flaws, getting paid, and earning internet fame. But the truth is, less like a movie and more like disciplined detective work. If you want to start ethical hacking and participate in disclosure programs, you need skills, patience, and respect for the law. This video will teach you how to begin safely, legally, and effectively. Chapter 1. What is bug bounty hunting? Bug bounty hunting is a legal program where organizations invite security researchers to test their systems for vulnerabilities and reward valid reports. Instead of breaking in secretly, you work with permission. Companies run these programs to improve security, and researchers report flaws through official channels. Think of it as responsible vulnerability discovery with a reward system. The important word is responsible. Chapter 2. Ethical rules and legal boundaries. Before you start, understand this clearly. Unauthorized hacking is a crime. Bug bounty programs work because researchers respect rules. They stay inside the program scope, avoid destructive testing, and follow disclosure timelines. Always read the program's policy, allowed targets, prohibited actions, and safe testing methods. If the program gives you a safe harbor, that protects you when you follow the rules. If not, don't test it. Chapter 3. Core skills you must learn. First, bug hunting is not magic. It's built on fundamentals. Learn networking basics, HTTP and web app behavior, how authentication works, and common vulnerability types at a conceptual level. Get comfortable with Linux. Learn to read logs, and practice basic scripting for automation. Most importantly, learn how systems are supposed to behave, so you can spot when they don't. Chapter 4. Build your hands-on experience ethically. Practice in safe environments. Capture the flag, CTF platforms, security training sandboxes, and intentionally vulnerable apps. Sites that offer legal labs let you learn exploitation concepts without breaking laws. Build a home lab or use structured learning platforms to practice recon, analysis, and reporting. These exercises teach method and discipline, not how to weaponize flaws. Chapter 5. Learn the bug lifecycle and reporting language. A big part of success is writing clear reports. Bug bounties reward evidence and reproducibility. Learn the lifecycle: discovery, verification, report drafting, vendor communication, triage, patch confirmation, and reward. Practice writing concise reproduction steps, impact descriptions, and suggested mitigations. Professionalism in reporting often matters more than finding the issue. Chapter 6. Choose the right platforms and programs. There are many legitimate platforms that manage bounty programs and connect researchers with vendors. Start with public platforms that offer small-scope programs suitable for beginners. Read each program's rules carefully. Some programs restrict testing to certain subdomains or require proof of consent. Beginner-friendly programs and small bug bounties are a great place to learn the workflow. Chapter 7. Scope, rules, and safe testing practices. Always confirm the target scope and allowed testing methods before probing. Never test customer data, payment gateways, or production data unless explicitly allowed. Avoid automated destructive scans that can cause outages. When in doubt, contact the program owner or skip the target. Slow, careful testing that gathers clear evidence is more valuable than noisy scanning. Chapter 8. Responsible disclosure versus public disclosure. Responsible disclosure means you privately report the issue to the vendor and give them time to fix it before publicizing details. Many programs require coordinated disclosure and may provide disclosure windows. Publicly posting details too early can harm users and violate program rules. Respect disclosure timelines. It's part of being a trusted researcher. Chapter 9. How to build reputation and get paid. Reputation matters. Quality over quantity. Reliable, well-documented reports build trust. Maintain a public profile where you share write-ups and responsible research, blogs, GitHub, or a dedicated researcher page. Accept feedback, improve your reports, and be professional in communications. Payouts vary, sometimes small, sometimes significant. based on impact and program budgets. Chapter 10. Continuous Learning and Community. Bug hunting is a long-term skill. Follow security blogs, learn from public write-ups, join respectful communities, and collaborate with mentors. Read vendor advisories and CVEs to understand real incidents. Attend conferences or local meetups if you can. The community is your fastest path to improvement, so engage, ask smart questions, and share responsibly. Final advice: start small, learn the fundamentals, practice in legal labs, and always follow program rules. Your goal isn't fame, it's to be accurate, ethical, and repeatable. Over time, strong methodology, clear reports, and professional conduct will open bigger programs and bigger rewards. Bug bounties reward discipline more than shortcuts. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not instruct or encourage illegal hacking. Always participate in bug bounty programs that explicitly authorize testing and follow legal and ethical guidelines. Subscribe to Hack Only Evil for more real ethical cybersecurity guides.